What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a teacher and help students learn.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
I see myself working in a big company abroad.
Who inspires you to follow your dreams?
My father inspires me to work hard and stay focused.
How do you plan to achieve your dream?
I plan to study hard and never give up.
What kind of job do you dream about?
I dream about having a job that makes me happy.
Where would you like to work in the future?
I would like to work in a peaceful and creative place.
Who supports your dreams the most?
My family supports me more than anyone else.
How do you feel when you think about your dream?
I feel excited and full of hope for my future.
What makes your dream special to you?
It matches my passion and gives my life purpose.
Who do you want to help through your dream?
I want to help poor children get a good education.
Where do you want to live in the future?
I want to live in a quiet city near the mountains.
How do you prepare for your future goals?
I learn new skills and plan every step carefully.
What subjects are important for your dream?
Science and math are very important for my goal.
Who gave you the idea for your dream?
My teacher inspired me with her kindness and effort.
Where did your dream start?
It started when I was a child watching people work hard.
How do you keep your dream alive?
I remind myself daily of why I started.
What motivates you to chase your dream?
My desire to succeed and make my parents proud motivates me.
Who do you want to work with in the future?
I want to work with honest and talented people.
Where do you imagine yourself working someday?
I imagine myself in a big office with a great team.
How do you deal with challenges in your journey?
I stay positive and learn from my mistakes.
What dreams did you have as a child?
I dreamed of becoming a doctor and saving lives.
Who do you share your dreams with?
I share my dreams with my best friends and family.
Where do you find inspiration for your goals?
I find inspiration from successful people and their stories.
How do you make your dream come true?
I work hard, stay focused, and keep learning.
What changes do you expect in your future life?
I expect more independence and better opportunities.
Who believes in your dreams?
My mother always believes in everything I want to do.
Where do you want to travel for your dream job?
I want to travel to Japan for new experiences.
How do you plan your career path?
I set small goals and follow them step by step.
What do you hope to achieve by working hard?
I hope to achieve happiness and success in my field.
Who do you want to make proud with your success?
I want to make my parents proud of my achievements.
Where do you wish to study for your dream?
I wish to study at a famous international university.
How do you imagine your life after success?
I imagine a peaceful and meaningful life with family.
What skill do you need for your dream career?
I need good communication and problem-solving skills.
Who gives you advice about your future?
My teachers and elders give me helpful advice.
Where do you think your dream can take you?
It can take me to places I've never imagined.
How do you stay motivated to reach your goal?
I keep thinking about how happy I'll be when I succeed.
What kind of person do you want to become?
I want to become kind, confident, and hardworking.
Who do you hope to inspire through your dream?
I hope to inspire young students to follow their goals.
Where do you want to build your career?
I want to build my career in a growing and modern city.
How do you plan to improve your knowledge?
I plan to read books and attend online courses.
What do you imagine your future home to be like?
I imagine it bright, simple, and full of love.
Who helps you stay on the right track?
My friends remind me to stay focused and patient.
Where do you wish to travel for experience?
I wish to travel to Europe to learn about new cultures.
How do you deal with failure in your journey?
I take it as a lesson and try again stronger.
What does your dream mean to you?
It means everything because it gives my life direction.
Who motivates you when you feel low?
My sister always cheers me up and reminds me of my goal.
Where do you want to make a difference?
I want to make a difference in education and society.
How do you plan to balance work and life?
I plan to manage time wisely and stay organized.
What kind of success do you dream about?
I dream about success that brings peace and respect.
Who is your role model for success?
My teacher is my role model because of her hard work.
Where do you see your dream leading you?
I see it leading me to a bright and happy life.
How do you stay focused on your goals?
I avoid distractions and follow my study plan.
What inspires you to dream big?
Stories of great people inspire me to dream big.
Who encourages you to follow your passion?
My parents always encourage me to do what I love.
Where do you want to start your first job?
I want to start my first job in a well-known company.
How do you keep learning new things?
I watch tutorials and read books every day.
What dream do you want to achieve first?
I want to finish my degree with top marks first.
Who do you look up to for guidance?
I look up to my mentor who always gives great advice.
Where do you hope to see your name in the future?
I hope to see it on successful projects and achievements.
How do you imagine your dream job environment?
I imagine it friendly, creative, and full of teamwork.
What do you hope to learn from life?
I hope to learn patience, confidence, and kindness.
Who do you think will celebrate your success first?
My mother will be the happiest person to celebrate it.
Where do you see your dream coming true?
I see it coming true after years of hard work.
How do you prepare yourself for the future?
I study regularly and improve my skills daily.
What makes your dream different from others?
It's unique because it reflects who I really am.
Who do you admire for living their dream?
I admire my uncle who built his own business.
Where do you think success really begins?
It begins with self-belief and strong effort.
How do you stay patient during tough times?
I remind myself that good things take time.
What kind of future do you wish for?
I wish for a peaceful, successful, and healthy future.
Who do you talk to about your plans?
I talk to my best friend about my future goals.
Where do you hope your dreams will take you?
I hope they'll take me to a better life in new places.
How do you plan to serve your country?
I plan to work hard and help others through my profession.
What habits will help you reach your dream?
Discipline, focus, and hard work will help me most.
Who teaches you to stay confident?
My father always teaches me to trust myself.
Where do you find courage to dream big?
I find it inside me and through others' success stories.
How do you describe your dream life?
It's full of love, learning, and meaningful work.
What do you wish to change in the world?
I wish to make education free and fair for all.
Who will you thank first after success?
I will thank my parents for their endless support.
Where do you picture yourself in 5 years?
I picture myself finishing my studies and working happily.
How do you plan to overcome obstacles?
I plan to stay calm and keep trying until I succeed.
What do you want to achieve before 30?
I want to build my career and start helping others.
Who reminds you of your potential?
My teacher reminds me that I can do great things.
Where do you imagine your dream house?
I imagine it by the sea with a peaceful view.
How do you stay disciplined about your goals?
I follow my schedule and avoid wasting time.
What does success mean to you?
It means doing what I love and feeling proud of it.
Who makes you believe in yourself?
My friends always tell me I can achieve anything.
Where do you plan to begin your journey?
I plan to begin right after completing my studies.
How do you prepare mentally for your dream life?
I think positively and visualize my success every day.
What future achievement excites you the most?
Graduating with honors excites me the most.